Did you know we offer a free school field trip to the Provincial Skills Canada Competition? It is the best career exploration field trip in Alberta. Students will witness Alberta's best high school and post-secondary students compete in over 45 skill, trade, and technology events. They will also try a variety of hands-on activities and discover their skills and interests at the Try-A-Trades and Try-A-Skills. Students will also have the opportunity to engage with industry and education exhibitors at Skills City. We've put together some information to help when registering your school for the field trips, and some tips to make sure your students get the best experience possible. The first thing you'll need to do is sign in to your Skills School account. If you don't have one yet, that's okay. Registering for one is free of charge and can be done easily on our website. Under the Educator Resources tab, just click on Become a Skills School. This account will now be the hub for adding and managing registrations. Once you are signed in, you'll be able to select one of our pre-scheduled time slots. We appreciate your efforts to maintain a safe and positive experience for all visitors by arriving at your scheduled time slot with the registered number of students. If you do arrive outside of your scheduled time slot, we may ask you to wait, as there are safety protocols we must adhere to. On the day of your field trip, your school bus will need to follow the drop-off and pick-up locations that we will send to you ahead of time. When you arrive, you'll be greeted by a Skills Canada Alberta representative. Come on, let's go check it out. We'll sign you in once you arrive to Launchpad. What is Launchpad, you might ask? It's an inspiring video experience that will let your students know what to expect out on the competition floor. We also have an event website that includes an interactive floor plan, a list of our Skills City exhibitors, and information about your 50 Try-A-Trades and Try-A-Skills. The link to this website will be shared with you ahead of time. We provide a bus subsidy to help offset the costs of attending. The subsidy can be applied for after you attend the field trip. The form link will be emailed to you after the event. It is important that you come through Launchpad to confirm your attendance. More information about the subsidy can be found on our website. Spots can fill up really quickly, so make sure you register your students early in the school year at our website, skillsalberta.com. See you there!